is for apple, May, apple, red and round and sweet. B is for banana, B banana, yummy yellow treat. C is for cherry, L-I-C-C, cherry, tiny, shiny, bright. D is for dragon fruit, dragon fruit, pink and white delight. E is for elderberry, E-E-E, elderberry, small and purple too. F is for figgy, F, fig, soft and sweet for you. G is for grape, G, grape, purple, green or red. H is for honeydew, H, honeydew, juicy slice of spread. I is for ice apple, ice apple, cool and jelly white. J is for jackfruit, J, jackfruit, biggest fruit in sight. K is for kiwi, K, kiwi, fuzzy brown outside. L is for lemon, L, lemon, sour but fun to bite. M is for mango, sweet mango, golden, soft and sweet. N is for nectarine, and nectarine, juicy summer treat. O is for orange, orange, full of vitamin C. P is for pineapple, P, pineapple from the tropic sea. Q is for quince, Q, quince, yellow and so bright. R is for raspberry, R, raspberry, pink and full of might. S is for strawberry, S, strawberry, red and full of fun. T is for tangerine, T, tangerine, peel it in the sun. U is for oogly fruit, U, oogly fruit, funny name but sweet. U is for velvet apple, and P, velvet apples, soft and neat. W is for watermelon, W, watermelon, cool on sunny days. X is for seguia, X, seguia, that's Chinese for watermelon.